In mathematics, we learn two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. The short form for two-dimensional is 2D. The short form for three-dimensional is 3D. When you learn the names of these shapes, you are able to tell the different types of any objects you come across in school, at home, and in the community. All two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes have different properties. These shapes are named depending on a number of factors. They include the following: 1. The number and size of their angles. 2. The number and size of their sides or edges. And 3. Their length, height, width, area, and volume. In this digital lesson, we will study two-dimensional shapes. What are 2D shapes? In mathematics, 2D shapes are plane figures that can be drawn on a flat surface such as a sheet of paper. Some 2D shapes have sides and corners. Others have curved boundaries. The following are 2D shapes with sides and corners. 1. A square. 2. A rectangle. 3. A circle. 4. A triangle. 5. A pentagon. 6. An octagon. All shapes that are closed and have sides are called polygons. A polygon which has all the sides and angles as equal is called a regular polygon. An ellipse and a circle are non-polygon shapes. They have curved boundaries. The basic types of 2D shapes include the following: a square, a rectangle, a circle, a triangle, a pentagon, which is 5-sided, a hexagon, which is 6-sided, a heptagon, which is 7-sided, an octagon, which is 8-sided, a decagon, which is 10-sided, and a dodecagon, which is 12-sided. This is a circle. A circle is a 2D shape. All the points of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equidistant means equal in distance. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the outside of the circle. In other shapes such as squares and rectangles, we call this distance the perimeter. The distance from the outer line to the other side of the line passing through the center is called the diameter. The distance from the center to the outer line of a circle is called a radius. The diameter is 2 times the radius. Examples of circles in real life are wheels of cars and bicycle. This shape is oval. The word oval originates from the Latin word ovus, which means an egg. This is a triangle. A triangle is a 3-sided two-dimensional shape. It is a polygon. A triangle has 3 edges and 3 vertices. A vertex is a corner, or a point, where lines meet. A square has 4 corners. Each corner is called a vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. The sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Pyramids are triangle in shape. This is a rhombus. A rhombus is a special type of a parallelogram. All the sides of a rhombus are equal. The difference between a square and rhombus is that all the angles of a square are right angles. The angles of a rhombus are not necessarily right angles. The rhombus takes the shape of a diamond. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a two-dimensional shape which has 4 straight sides. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. A quadrilateral can be regular or irregular. The sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. The following is a summary of the types of quadrilaterals. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and are equal. The opposite angles are also equal. Other examples of quadrilaterals are square, rectangle, rhombus, and trapezium.